going on, you guys? It's Slava Gaming Fox again with another video. I played Dead by Daylight with my friend Monkey. It was just one game, but it was really funny, and I think you'll like it. Hope you enjoy. Okay, here we go. Let's get this game started. I'm gonna go over here. I think got a generator over here. We'll start working on it. Alright. We got a whole team here.
Yeah, all the boxes are your guys, so I'll get the trophy, so I don't need it.
I'm working on the first generator here.
There's a box to my right, by the way, though. I wonder if it's... Oh,
That
come
wasn't
on,
me.
bro. I know, it's fucking douchebag on the right.
Yeah. It's like I didn't do it.
I fucking hate fucking randoms, man.
Yeah. Oh, shit.
Yes, Michael. Somebody's jerking off on my back right now.
The first one.
It always makes me want... Oh, he was jerking off my back! Oh my god, he was!
Oh shit, you ran right at him! Oh shit.
Oh, I'm his obsession.
Oh no. You are your obsession. Oh no. Oh.
Gotcha, bitch!
Put the shake and bake on him. Switch back to my toolbox. Bing. Now, teams with me over here, this other generator.
Don't worry, I'm just chilling on the end of the
What
balcony.
the hell? That was weird.
No!
Oh.
No!
Oh
I
no!
didn't mean it!
You just made me
God
panic.
damn it! I should have ran, dude.
You made me
cocky.
panic.
I got cocky and I got fucked up with it. Peace, bitch.
Oh
Red
yeah,
burst activate.
I blew up the generator when you did that. I was like, oh man.
Missy, bitch. God, you're an awful Michael.
Putting the shake and bake on him. Alright,
Give me your
generators.
pallet.
Generator's done. Oh, I hear him. I hear him. Everybody's hiding over here. Where the hell is he?
You suck, Mike.
Oh, I see him. I see him.
Oh, God, he got me.
Oh no!
I got stuck. I got stuck. I got stuck
man.
on the ledge. You wouldn't let me drop it first. Hey, I survived for a long time. Okay,
Yeah,
I
you
think I did
did.
pretty well.
You got us a lot of
So
clock.
if you guys could do fucking gens instead of just all like being right beside me, that'd be great.
Well, what
I
I'm
like
doing.
body block. Oh, I was about to break free too. You don't have iron grasp or any of that shit, so.
Let me know if he's okay. I see
You don't
him.
have dying light, so it's probably remember me. It's either remember me or
he just
it's
found
because
me.
or because I'm decisive. Run to the left. Run to the left.
I'm running away from
This
you.
fucking Dumbledore over here got me off the hook too early and shit.
Come on.
Surprised Mike
Oh.
isn't fucking telling the shit on me.
Get away from me. He's trying to suck the evil. Get the hell out of here, dude. Garbage.
Well, he sucked me dry. I even told
Oh,
you
shit.
he did that. I'm like, he's probably.
He
I
is
even
still
said, like,
up my
he's
ass,
probably
man.
jerking. I told him he's probably jerking off on my back and shit.
Oh, shit.
And he was jerking off on my back.
I'm gonna try to heal myself. I took a shot. Oh, I think he found me. Oh, damn it. Get away from me. Get out of here. Get out of here, you asshole. Oh, go, 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 go. Up, 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 up. Oh, shit, there's a teammate here hiding. I'm sorry, dude. Oh, no. He's got our teammate.
Fuck that shit. Fuck that shit. I'm out.
That was my
Fuck that,
fault,
Jenna,
dude.
I'm out. Now, it wasn't me. I fucking get the fuck out of Dodge. I couldn't come in the house and I dipped. Fucking.
How did he know I was
on
here?
that
What the
shit.
hell? He's got to have nurse's perk, dude. That's
That's
the
what I think
only.
he does. 'Cause he came right for me.
He came right for me when I was healing. How did he do that?
Probably has nurses.
That's what?
You'd be surprised nurses, man, 'cause that's a really common perk. Even I use that.
Yeah,
But I don't
nurse
use
perk.
Dying Light, I use Nurse's Calling. It's great for Michael.
Yeah.
You can see them when they're close, so you can know exactly where they're at. if
Come
they're
on,
close
teammate,
by.
come get me. Hurry. Come on, dude. Oh, yes. I'm back.
I think he's coming for me, actually.
No way.
He's left side of the house. Left side of the house. So you're on the right now. Just go straight forward.
Oh, sprint
He's
first.
coming for you guys. He's coming for you
Shit.
guys.
Shit. He found the other guy. Damn. This is a tough one. Well, for me. Not for you, but for me.
Oh, he's about to tier 3 off this dude. Don't come near me, Dwight, you fucking asshole. You chose to wear bright ass clothing and shit. You chose to die.
Do you see where Michael is?
Yeah, he's across the map.
Okay,
I got
I'm
the
gonna-
random in the basement.
You got him?
Yep.
Okay,
Come
because
on,
I'm at
bud.
the basement.
They're tier 2 for
okay.
you.
I'm here with you. If he's on the other side of the map,
it-
then.
Help me heal him real quick. Help me. Oh, never mind, he
okay,
dipped.
okay,
Fuck
okay.
that dude. Never mind, he left. Fuck him.
Oh, okay, screw it then.
He dipped. Fuck that dude then. This is more important.
Yeah,
These 3 gens are right beside each other.
yeah. Bing.
Then get this gen out of the way.
Yep.
Then fucking we only have to do one more gen, and one gen's way across the map, so
Oh,
we can
really?
actually, yeah. So we should be fine after that.
Oh, I
did the
see
one
it.
that's there. I did the one that's there on the map
I
already.
see it from here. I see it.
Oh,
He's
she's
here.
outside.
He's here. Oh, he got me. That hurt.
Oh, she's following me!
Run!
Into the wall!
Run! Oh my gosh,
Get
run!
the gen done!
I'm going to get the guy.
Tell my kids I love them!
Oh no! I'm going to go save this guy. Why
No,
isn't
no,
he?
both of you are over there. Both of you are over there. Finish this gen. It's almost finished for you.
I'm
fucking
sorry.
kids.
I'm already here. I'm already saving. I'm coming back. Hang on. I
See,
gotta
this
heal.
is a fun match, you know? This is a fun match. You know, 'cause people, you don't have to fucking, you have to see retarded teammates.
Give me a
You're
second. I'll
not
heal him
really as
up.
bad as what I usually walk into.
Oh, hang on, man. Shit. Come
We
on.
can finish it. He didn't kick this gen, so I think his barbecue and chili.
Yeah, he's got to be coming. All right, I'm on my
He's
way.
not near me. Unless he has Insidious, he's not near me.
Ow. He didn't
He's not
camp
down in the
before.
basement. He's not in the basement, so.
Well, I'm gonna go
Well,
for it
he's
then. I'm
there.
taking the risk. I'm taking the risk. I'm running. Teammates coming with me, so we're gonna rush. Hang
Hey,
on,
one's
man.
got gin. One's
Hang
got
on.
that fucking gin.
All right, I'm gonna work on a generator. Teammate got you. He did hit it.
Oh, he did?
Yeah. Oh shit, where is he? Oh, that dude scared me.
Yeah, help me, Dwight, you fucking beautiful bastard, you.
What the hell?
Why did you stop healing me, you dick? Fucking Dwight, man.
We know
What
he's
the fuck
coming.
you doing, Dwight? Do partial this gen just to make him think it's going to stay over here and go to the opposite side of the map.
Well, he's coming now. I can see him. And he's evil
Okay,
within
I'm
3.
not.
And he's coming at me. God damn it. Oh, I'm dead. I'm going down.
I got borrowed time, so.
I'm down. Go, go, go. Don't worry, I have a chance to get away. Oh, he's gonna leave me here on. He's coming after you guys.
I don't know where I'm at. But I
Oh,
got borrowed
boy.
time 3, so.
Oh, man. Come on. Oh, that's way too close. Shit. He's coming, whoever's healing. Are you healing?
I'm full health, dude.
Well, I
I'm
mean,
up to
there's
your
no.
ass.
What I
I'm
mean
wait-
is,
I'm
there's a
waiting for
teammate
him.
healing another teammate, and he's running right at them too.
Yep. I was just waiting for him a little bit farther away if I got you, because I'm not trying to get you fucking end up. Well, I think I borrowed time, so. He's probably gonna be turning and looking at us. I'm gonna heal you real quick because he's still going over there with them.
Oh, he got him.
Let's see.
Wonder if he's gonna come after us. Nope. He doesn't like that guy for some reason.
Oh, you teabagged him.
Probably.
You get this gen down real quick as fast as we can. All three of us is here.
Alright, let's go.
What is this fucking dude doing? Is he
I
really
don't know.
playing behind me? What a dumbass. Let me get behind you, bro. That way I'll get seen. Bitch, he has a fucking bar. He sees all of us.
Is he coming?
Yeah, probably. Yeah, he's definitely coming. He's right here. He almost got it done. He might go off that dude.
I jumped off. Where'd he go?
I think he's, yeah, he went off that dude because that dude made it and ran off.
Ah, I hid behind a tree.
I'm behind a generator, so he didn't see me at all.
Where the hell's the gates? The gates are over here.
Oh shit! Holy fuck!
Oh, God,
I almost
dude.
walked into this. Yeah, I literally about walked into this dude.
I'm dead. Oh my god, he just came out of nowhere. Man, what
Yeah, he
is
saw
with
me.
him?
God damn it!
Oh,
he didn't. How the fuck did he not see me?
how does he keep
Dude, I
making me
legit-
rot? Like, I don't understand this. Like, everyone else he picks up
I
immediately.
got borrowed behind, dude, so I'll get you once we get the gen, maybe get the doors open.
Well, get the gate now because he's screwing with me. There's a gate
Yeah,
right over
but
there.
the gate's behind you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not going near that shit. He's gonna stalk me.
Ah, shit.
He's about to see them across the map because other gens across the map.
He's
So I bet he goes for them. See?
maybe
He's
get
going for
that
them.
gate.
See? I got you. He's going for them.
Go get
so
the gate.
yeah, I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get bar time.
Yeah, he's
and
still
then we'll
going
focus
after the
fuck
one
on-
guy. He's going after him right now. He's coming back. He's coming back. He's coming. Watch out!
No, I had bar time. What the fuck?
What the hell?
What? He takes us backwards.
Okay.
That was so stupid looking.
Oh my gosh, man.
I had borrowed time, so I was like, "Fuck it, I'll take
You got a
the fucking
teammate
extra
right
hit."
there.
I know.
Recover up.
I'm trying to get close to him.
His teammate's
Come on,
gonna get
grab
me.
the teammate. You need a teammate. Oh my god, you're gonna get me killed.
Oh,
You asshole.
shit,
Heal
I'm
me,
sorry.
Heal me, my last hit. No!
shit.
No! Heal me, you dumb bastard.
Where the hell did he go?
I don't know, but he chased after the other dude, I think.
No, he's coming for you.
I don't see it. Don't you heal me all the way. You asshole. Heal me. I got like a little smidge. It fucking glitched. Just touch me.
glitched?
Tap me. Yeah.
It's
What
not
the fuck?
working.
Dude,
It's not working.
What the fuck?
I don't know.
Bullshit!
What the hell was that?
Full bar. It
I
said I had a
know.
full bar and I'm dead on hook. Go for the exit.
Hopefully I'm
I gotta
close
send you
enough.
that picture, dude. And
Dude.
shit straight glitched.
Yeah, I
can't
saw
do it.
it.
Heal me all the way next to a killer. Just let me go, and then fucking let somebody else touch me, and then come back later and grab me. Don't fucking just kill me right in front of a killer. I hate that shit.
Where does the
Only
killer?
fucking randoms do that shit.
Where's the killer?
I don't fucking know. I'm not even in that screen yet.
Let me know. I hear Evil Within 3. Oh, they got away. Oh, man. Where's that other gate at?
Dude, I would straight leave.
I'm gonna try to. Shit.
I would leave.
I can't.
Oh, the hat's right behind you.
What?
Hatch is right in front of you.
Oh
It's
my
right
gosh.
there.
Oh my gosh.
You
I'm
ass
terrible.
bastard. I heard it. I heard that bit. You got decisive. You got decisive still.
I'm not gonna get it.
You will.
Nope. Nope.
Oh my god. I panicked.
You almost had that shit,
I
too.
panicked, man. Oh, I panicked.
Oh, I know those skills. Don't worry, I know those skills.
Once again, everyone, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe below. And again, I hope to see you all in the next video.